Hey, this is Bryce out at NWA Mobility, and today we've got a new van that we're going to show you. I came in there driving it right now and getting parked, and give you a rundown on this car. This is a 2016 Dodge Caravan, and the conversion on this Caravan was done by LoneStar. Take a walk around it now. You came and opened up the door. Now, if you're wanting an automatic, we don't have, this is not an automatic. This is all a manual ramp. The manual ramp is really easy to operate. Just fold it out, bring it down. We'll walk in here, we're gonna take a look at the car. Like I said, this was built by LoneStar, 2016. It's got a humidifier inside the car. That's what you see right there above the seats there. Black interior. Really clean, super clean van. This one came from Oklahoma. They took really good care of it over there. I've got complete maintenance records on everything about this van. The van's got, go ahead and shut the door. No check engine. Got the AC blowing today. Right now, we just put the thermostat in there. You can see it's getting down to the 60 mark. It probably needs a little charge. We haven't run this because we just got it to the shop, got everything taken out of it as far as like the cameras and all of that. Only place that's got a problem right over there is on the driver's side on the one seat. Comes with all the tie downs. All the tie downs are here. One right there, one right there, the two of them, then one back here, 4 tie downs. Okay, now we're going to get the mileage out the car so you can see the mileage on the car. Here we go. Mileage on the car is 140,433. That's really kind of low mileage on a car that's a Dodge Caravan, because these cars can go up to 300,000 miles and taken care of. AM/FM radio, CD radio, all the controls. Once you see how clean this car is, look at all the step ups in it, seats. The car's in great shape. Make somebody a really, really nice car. Double doors, this side right here, we just closed just a minute ago. Here, I'm gonna walk out this side. All right, I'm gonna do a walk around of the car. Give you a complete walk around. Want to show you the tires of the car. Tires are in really good shape. One little scratch right there. All the flares on the car are in good shape, not beat up from hitting curbs. We put brand new headlights in it so that you can have all brand new looking headlights on the car. This side over here, Michelin Tires on the car. There's your step up. So if you're wanting a really nice car, not want to spend the whole money that these things come with, I've got the actual sticker price of this car before the conversion on this car, and I'll post that. This had a sticker price of around $28,000 when it came off the showroom floor. And then it had the conversion. Most conversions are going to be somewhere around $18,000 to $20,000 to do the conversion. So there you go. Here's a really nice 2016 at NWA Mobility. I'll post everything in the comments. If you're interested in a really clean van right now, and don't want to spend just a ton of money, here's one right here for you. Great shape. Give us a call at 479-521-1974. I'll post that in the comments. And we are NWA Mobility here in Springdale, Arkansas.
Thanks for looking.